Work from home, earn money. Within few days you can earn in crores. It is not a joke, it's very simple. Just install one small app and refer the link, and you can see the payment proofs attached here. If any doubts, WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. I'll share you the details. It's very easy job. You can earn very short time in crores.
Just refer in your surroundings itself, family, friends, your cousins, neighbors, your area members itself. There only you can earn it. Or if you have any doubts among your family member only, you can try it out. Then you can publicity. It is very genuine app. It's very good app. People are earning every day. It's very simple. Moreover, it is Indian app and we are using all American apps like Google Pay, phone pay and all. Why don't we encourage our Indian app? It is same like Google Pay, phone pay, Paytm itself. Nowadays we are using everything online transactions for each and everything. Same thing, let's we encourage for the Youtag app. It is an Indian app where daily we used to use it for the Google Pay, phone pay, Paytm. Let's we use it all the facilities from the Youtag app for the transactions, and moreover we'll get the cashback also for each transactions whatever we are doing on Youtag. And same link, once you register it, you can transfer to your family members, and for the referrer also you'll get a amount. I have put a chart here slot wise. You can go through it. If you have any doubts, let me know. If we calculate one person 3 member, if we refer also, we can earn in crores. It's an example chart I've given. If we refer one person 3 people, if we refer more also, we can earn easily very short period amount, and moreover it is an instant amount. As soon as you transfer or you refer anybody, immediately we'll get amount in our account. It's very genuine app, nothing fake or anything false and all. It is really working out because I experienced my own, and I am started to promoting this app because I got good money from this. So I thought let me share with my family, friends, colleagues, neighbors and all. So you can also earn. It is very simple. Just you register. I have given the details and all under description. Go through it, my link, and how to install, how to register and all. I have given these steps. Follow those things and start earning, and you people can also earn in crores. So it's very easy, simple. Many people think we have done like this and we lost the money and all. Yes, there is lots of fake apps, but this is very genuine app. I have screenshot the payment proofs and all. Nothing fake and all. You can go ahead, and if many people asking there is any registration fees, yes, nowadays without registrations nothing, we cannot do it. There is 590 rupees, and which it will be a refunded as soon as you refer 3 people, and just ask them also to refer 3 and it is same like whatever your 590 will be refund, and you can use the app facilities. Once you ask your 3 people reference also, ask them also keep on refer. So once they also keep referring, you will get their reference amount also plus your transactions cashback also. And if you refer directly, you will earn more also. The calculations I have given and levels also I have mentioned here. And still if you have any doubts, you can directly WhatsApp me. I'll share you the details. So do not wait, just go ahead and grab your luck, and let's we all become a crorepati and more than crores. It's example 3 people will earn crores. I've given the chart. If we refer more and more, we'll earn more. It's very easy and simple nowadays. Everywhere this kind of networking it is happening. So let's we also try and get it, and people are getting it. Once you refer 3 people, whatever the 590 you're paying the registration fees, you will get it back. So it is like like a zero investment. After that they keep on refer. So you'll get the whatever the reference, your family, friends, colleagues, whomsoever you are telling, that money you are going to get it, right? So whatever you paid the 590, it is a refund and it is like a zero investment. No need to worry about this. We are spending lots of money for so many things. I do understand there is a small people, 590 will be a big, but when you are getting a crores of money just for the one link referring, why don't people do it? If you have any doubts, you can directly WhatsApp me on my number and go through my descriptions. There is a details given for the link. Click that link and get registered and follow the steps given down for registrations. Any doubts, ping me. And if you like this video, like, share, comment. Thank you. Love you all. Start earning, join fast. And please subscribe my channel, Nagveni Rajappa YouTube channel.